Hey, William. Hopefully everything's going well for you. Sorry to hear about your grandma. So 107A says this: find 15.75 divided by 0.25. Use standard algorithm. Using standard algorithm is just a fancy word for saying do the math. So here's what we're going to do. When I do this, we want to do 15.75 divided by this. So we got to figure out what goes in the box and what goes out of the box. And I think that's very confusing sometimes for kids. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to write something I know, like 10 divided by 2. I know that would look exactly like this, 10 divided by 2. And the reason that I wrote that down is it helps me decide what goes in the box. So the first number goes in the box. So this goes inside. So 15.75 goes inside because my first number goes inside and my second number goes outside, 0.25. All right. Also, when we read division problems, we start inside the box, 15.75 divided by 0.25. And that's kind of the same thing here. Now, here's what we talked about in class today. I can't divide if I have a decimal out here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide my decimal 2 spots to the right. If I slide my decimal outside 2 spots to the right, then I have to slide this also 2 spots to the right. All right. And now what really happens because I've moved my decimal 2 spots, I moved my decimal 2 spots. So really, it's a new division problem. This is now just 25. And inside the box, it's 1,575. But notice what we did. We slid it 2 spots to the right. We slid this one 2 spots to the right. Don't worry about doing B, the giant one. I don't care for doing it that way. So just understand this. The key is, though, we have to get this to a whole number outside the box. I do that by sliding to the right. Make sure that you also have watched the videos from this lesson because it talks about this whole idea of sliding the videos or sliding the decimals to help us out with that. If you didn't do the classwork and watch those videos, but it might just be that this word, this algorithm, is just a weird, fancy word for saying do the math.